Item 531. Sidewalks. 1. Description. Construct hydraulic cement concrete sidewalks. 2. Materials. Furnish materials conforming to the following. Item 360, concrete pavement. Item 420, concrete substructures. Item 421, hydraulic cement concrete. Item 440, reinforcement for concrete. Use classic concrete unless otherwise shown on the plans. Use grade 8 coarse aggregate for extruded classic concrete. Use other grades if approved. 3. Construction. Shape and compact subgrade, foundation, or pavement surface to the line, grade, and cross-section shown on the plans. Lightly sprinkle subgrade or foundation material immediately before concrete placement. Hand tamp and sprinkle foundation when placement is directly on subgrade or foundation materials. Remove and dispose of existing concrete in accordance with Item 104, removing concrete. Provide a clean surface for concrete placement directly on the surface material or pavement. Mix and place concrete in accordance with the pertinent items. Hand finishing is allowed for any method of construction. Finish exposed surfaces to a uniform transverse broom finish surface. Curb ramps must include a detectable warning surface and conform to details shown on the plans. Install joints as shown on the plans. Ensure that abrupt changes in sidewalk elevation do not exceed 1/4 inches, sidewalk cross slope does not exceed 2%, curb ramp grade does not exceed 8.3%, and flares adjacent to the ramp do not exceed 10% slope. Ensure that the sidewalk depth and reinforcement are not less than the driveway cross-sectional details shown on the plans where a sidewalk crosses a concrete driveway. Provide finished work with a well-compacted mass, a surface free from voids and honeycomb, and the required true-to-line shape and grade. Cure for at least 72 hours in accordance with Item 420, concrete substructures. 3.1 Conventionally formed concrete. Provide pre-molded or bored expansion joints of the thickness shown on the plans for sidewalk section lengths greater than 8 feet but less than 40 feet, unless otherwise directed. Terminate workday production at an expansion joint. 3.2 Extruded or slip-formed concrete. Provide any additional surface finishing immediately after extrusion or slip forming as required on the plans. Construct joints at locations as shown on the plans or as directed. 4. Measurement. Sidewalks will be measured by the square yard of surface area. Curb ramps will be measured by the square yard of surface area or by each. A curb ramp consists of the ramp, landing, adjacent flares or side curb, and detectable warning surface as shown on the plans. 5. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for concrete sidewalks of the depth specified and curb ramps of the type specified. This price is full compensation for surface preparation of sidewalk foundation, materials, removal and disposal of existing concrete, excavation, hauling and disposal of excavated material, drilling and doweling into existing concrete curb, sidewalk, and pavement, repair of adjacent street or pavement structure damaged by these operations, and equipment, labor, materials, tools, and incidentals. Sidewalks that cross and connect to concrete driveways or turnouts will be measured and paid for in accordance with Item 530, intersections, driveways, and turnouts.